the channel. Today I have a clean and decorate with me video for y'all. I'm so sorry I've missed the past couple of uploads. Honestly, I've not been feeling my best and I just didn't get around to filming videos and editing them and all that good stuff. So sorry about that, but here we are. I just wanted to do a cleanup with me because the Halloween party is this week. So obviously I need the house to be in tip-top shape for all of my friends to come over and for all of us to have a good time. So I spent some time cleaning up and also putting out some more of the decor that I still have. I cannot believe I still have decor that needs to go out and it's like a week before Halloween. It's honestly kind of insanity, but slowly but surely we will get everything up. So I hope you guys enjoy cleaning and decorating with me. Guys, I literally cannot believe it's less than a week until Halloween. I filmed this video obviously a few days ago and I was already sad that it was only 10 days till Halloween, and now it's literally 1 week and I can't believe spooky season is almost over. I will say I'm a little bit more excited for Christmas season than I normally am because I've got some more decor and stuff that I'm excited to put up this year, but I'm still just like in disbelief that spooky season is almost at an end. Like, I literally am heartbroken, but it's fine. Everything's gonna be fine. My mom came over and put wallpaper up in this guest room because my friend Julia is coming to spend Halloween week with us, and so I was super excited to just get like a couple decor pieces in there so it doesn't look so empty and sad. And then I wanted to go ahead and set up the bar situation. So we just have like a fold out table and some tablecloths that we put on it to have like a separate bar. And Zoe's in charge of the bar this year and we're doing all Harry Potter themed, if you guys didn't already know. So I just put everything out that she would need. So when it comes time to actually like make all the cocktails and set it up and make it look nice, she would have everything she needs like in one spot to put it together. So yeah, I think it's gonna look really, really cool this year and I'm super excited for my friends to see it.
Shrimp nose.
Make sure that we had all of our servingware kind of in one spot to make it easy for myself when it comes time to put all the food out. We're not really making any pre-made stuff this year just because we did bake some stuff and everything last year, but it kind of got cold by the time everyone got there and was hungry enough to want to enjoy it. So I just piled everything over in this corner so that when it comes time to make all of our charcuterie and dessert boards and all that sort of stuff, it's all easy to grab and we can just super easily do it quickly, if that makes sense. Okay, obviously my brain's not working. And one thing that I really wanted to do is I wanted to get lights in this hallway because I thought it would look kind of cool with them glowing from the hallway into the living room. And it's funny because I put them up and I actually don't totally love them, only because I like the party to be dark, and this green is just so freaking bright that it adds almost too much light. I'm gonna leave them up because I do think they're really fun and spooky, especially with the creepy cloth. It really creates a vibe in this hallway. But I don't think I'll do it again next year just because I think it's too much light. I don't know. I want it to be a very party-ish atmosphere, and I don't know. I just think it's too much light. I don't know. This is the next day, and I just wanted to put kind of everything for the bar in its correct spot, and I have this black light that I'm kind of backlighting the bar with, which doesn't look like anything during the day, but I checked and it does look cool at night. And I wanted to go ahead and get the fog machine in place and all that good stuff, so I kind of got all of that situated, and then I started working on the coffin labels for all of the food and drinks, which were very difficult. I literally had to hammer them all in because they were such like a tight fit. I even broke one in the process. So that kind of sucked, but I did eventually get all of them to work. So that's good. I hope you guys enjoyed this little clean and decorate with me. If you did, make sure you give it a like, hit that big subscribe button. I can't talk today, you guys, down below to come hang out with me on the channel. I've still got more spooky content coming your way, even though we only have a week left. Definitely a Halloween party vlog. So if you want to see how everything turns out for the party, definitely make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for notifications every time I upload. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.